Verizon CR1000A bridge mode setup guide. So first of all, you can make sure you can connect your router to a other bridge device you want. So you can go ahead and use an Ethernet cable. Let's say you want to go ahead and connect to a mesh. Just go ahead and plug in the end of this Ethernet cable to one of the LAN ports, and then for the other end, of course, to the other device, and it's one of the LAN ports as well. You can do this in the end, but you should be able to do this right now as well. But anyways, just go ahead to your preferred browser. Right now we're gonna go ahead and enable the bridge mode. You're gonna type this in 192.168.1.1, and then it's gonna bring you to a little admin gateway. So you're gonna put in the admin and then the password. Now most of the time it should just directly be found at the back of your router for the default details. It's gonna show you what your username is gonna be and the password. But anyways, just go ahead and input that, and if you've already logged in before and you switch the username and password, you can always just go ahead and do so. And to whatever device you're using, make sure you're also connected to the Wi-Fi or to the Verizon router specifically, or else you won't be able to do this. Now, once you've logged in, you'll be able to go to a little gateway. You're gonna go ahead and navigate yourself to at a glance. That's the fastest way to do so. And then you'll be able to see a bridge mode. What you're gonna do now is just go ahead and press on the enable option, and then that's pretty much it. Once your devices are connected via an Ethernet cable, which is one of the fastest and probably the efficient way, then the process will pretty much just be done. You can go ahead and set up the other device on its specific app or however it's supposed to be set up, because it's also depending on the other device as well. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.